sinking in again. This time we're going a bit harder with the thumb.
Wow.
We can also move the neck around. It just helps to open up a bit more space in there.
Oh, it's really good, Chase.
Thanks, Tash. Love a bit of good feedback. Make sure you're on the right points.
Ooh,
It's
down
always
the
good.
shoulder.
Sometimes you get clients that just lie there and you try and get a bit of feedback. You're like, how's it feeling? Good? Anything there? Yeah. It's just, so sometimes feedback is good. Helps us to get on the right track. Oh, I didn't see you there, Leo. It's Jason and Dash here. Treating Dash's neck. So she's been doing a core workout the other day and pulled up a bit sore in the neck. So it's something that we see quite common come into the clinic. People that might have a weakness in their core, and when they do sit-ups, it's particularly ones where they're doing that sort of sit-up position, they overuse their neck flexors to try and create that movement. And they can pull up quite sore. So that's what's going on for Tash. So I thought we'd get her on the table and show you how we treat it. So you're feeling it both sides, aren't you, Tash?
Yeah,
Yeah?
it's even both sides. Yeah, I think I was still sore from lift club on Tuesday in the core.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to get another workout.
Get another burn in the core.
Yeah. And then I was probably compensating with the neck a bit as the
And
core
you said you were
was-
doing it on a bench instead of like on the floor, so you didn't really know where your head was going, did you?
Yeah, exactly. I didn't know. I was moving around a bit really quick, so I didn't know whether my head was like supported, and then I just kept lifting it up. So doing like bicycles and then like reaching for the toes. So all that crunching kind of movement.
Yeah.
Using my neck instead of my abs.
It's not what we want.
No.
Nah?
No.
Sorry to interrupt your video, guys, but we're just going to advertise our Patreon platform where we post every day, exclusive content, no towels, just us blokes having fun, treating each other. So if you want to see some MMT action every day, jump over there and you will be very happy. Yeah.
Just need to wake up today with it just sore, just achy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feeling it with movement or just generally there?
Yeah, more with movement probably.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it just needs a good clean, I think.
Yeah. All right, we'll get that done for you.
Thank
so we're just
you.
hooking in under the base of the skull there. We'll just up under where that SCM attaches to just behind the ear. And then we're going to slowly work our way down. So doing a bit of a broader pressure just with the fingertips to start with. I'm holding Tash's head so I can start to create some movement in there where I can feel if there's some tighter spots that push back into my pressure.
Feels good.
And then I can feel one there, so I can just sit on that for a little bit longer and then slowly move through as we feel it release.
Oh, it gets a bit more fiery down there.
Yeah. Fiery down the arm or just on the spot?
Nah, just on the spot.
Just on the spot, yeah. So you can get some referral sensations going down the arm with treating through here. So yeah, when you go through more the anterior neck, so the scalenes, we want to make sure that we're a bit more superficial because the brachial plexus are through here, which are the nerves that run down your neck. You don't want to push too hard in here and compress those, but we do want to release the muscles that sit above them. So we're more of a superficial fascial treatment here through the scalenes, and we can start to add in some movement there.
Oh, wow. So when else would you have to treat this area, Jace?
Yeah, so you can treat this with people who have neck pain as well. So sometimes people tend to focus on the upper traps and lev scap and suboccipitals, but yeah, you can get a good release by relieving through the front of the neck, as they are quite common to be overactive.
Can be forgotten about a bit.
Yeah, it can. Yeah. Yeah, because a lot of people complain of the pain at the back of the neck, but it can actually be contributed to because they might have that forward head posture where these muscles are pulling them into that chin poke, particularly if there's someone that sits at a desk or drives a lot, sitting in the car.
Yeah, that's right. I get a lot of clients that when I treat them in this area, they're like, oh, I've never had anybody work on the front.
Yeah, it's surprising, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome.
And what are you lifting at the moment, Tash, in Lift Club? We've got testing coming up next week. What are you aiming for? Are you
going for 130?
130?
Yeah.
For one?
For one, yeah, because I haven't hit that. I've hit it once before, but it's been...
Was that
Actually, been
was that
like
at
a
our
year
Christmas testing?
No,
Or-
I didn't hit it.
I didn't get it then.
So that's why I'm aiming for it again.
Yeah.
It was in a lift club like probably a year and a half ago.
Okay.
So I need to get back to that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So. what
And
I did-
squatting, you aiming for 100 for the squat, or do you?
Yeah, if I can
Yeah?
beat it, that'd be good.
Oh, because you've already got 100 once. haven't
Yeah,
you?
I've had 100. So yeah,
That's strong.
yeah, it should be. Yeah,
Pretty impressive.
it's good. Alice keeps me on track.
Keeps you on
She's-
track.
She's super strong. Yeah. So it's been good lifting with her.
And your pull-ups?
Yeah,
Gonna
my
get 10?
pull-ups.
Are we going to get 10 next week?
Ooh, I reckon. Yeah, actually, I reckon we can get close.
I reckon you get 10.
Yeah, actually, I did 8 the other day.
8 full
Yeah,
ones.
yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I reckon. I
Pretty
can get
impressive.
there.
Not many females that I know that can do 8 full pull-ups.
Yeah, no,
So-
it's good. I think Leo. That's a bit of Leo. There. Pushing
He's
us.
trying to
with
get
the
Ninja.
pull-ups.
He's trying to improve
Yeah.
Ninja's pull-ups.
Yeah.
He's got him hanging a lot.
Good.
I think Ninja's a bit cut though because we had the cricket club in on Wednesday night, and
Yeah.
some of them never hanging before. A couple of
Yeah.
them got like 3 minutes.
No way.
And Ninja's been trying to do hanging for every week I think, or every day he does it.
Are you
And,
kidding?
yeah,
3 minutes?
A couple of blokes that are trained, he's just rocked up and did 3-minute hanging, and
What's Ninja at?
I think 2 minutes max. So
Oh wow.
yeah.
Oh no.
Just needs to get the hardened tradie hands, I reckon. In maybe get him in the garden a little bit or something, and
Too soft, you reckon?
the old farm strength.
Yeah. Grip
Uh,
strength directly correlated to lifespan as well.
Yeah, is it? Oh, there you go. Aaron's
What?
throwing it.
Give it a bit of a fact on the side.
Oh.
You can't hear him, but
Jason, you can repeat it.
yeah,
Oh.
grip strength directly correlates with life expectancy. Was it Aaron?
Lifespan.
Lifespan.
Life
Sorry,
expectancy.
similar.
That's
Yeah,
amazing.
I think so.
Yeah, I think. Whoa, that's
Crazy, isn't
big,
it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Shit. We're
So
gonna get
work
better
on
at
your grip
that,
strength.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's Leo's best?
What's your best, Leo, from behind the camera? Have you got 5 minutes? Nah.
3.5.
3.5. Oh, the
Oh.
cricketers weren't
Big
far
shit.
off.
He's like a-
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a big bloke. He's probably in
Wow.
the 100 keg
He
range.
throws him down 130 k's.
Yeah, okay.
That's impressive. Because, well, Alice and I think got 130
Yeah.
on Tuesday.
Yeah.
And the rest were all around a minute. weren't
Yeah, most people just tapped out at a minute.
they? Yeah. Wow. Got a long way to go.
Yeah, absolutely. My hangs are terrible.
Oh, I hear the bar's harder in Richmond, though.
You reckon? Yeah.
That's what I've heard.
Yeah. A bit more callousy on the hands, isn't it? It's a bit more
Yeah.
rough, the bar in Richmond. Yeah. That's why he's muted back there. He's
Rustier.
rustier.
The Richmond one's easier.
Oh, easier.
Yeah.
All right. You're just trying to make excuses.
I need all the excuses.
Oh, shit.
How are you feeling in there, Tash? Getting back to the neck?
Yeah, that's a spot there.
That's a spot.
Oh, yeah. That's going to my temple.
Ooh,
Yeah.
some good information there. So yeah, some people that get headaches, that could be
Yeah.
referral points from this part of the neck.
Oh.
Sometimes we can even just get the old pincer move out, so you can get the SCM there. There's normally a nice trigger point in here, a nice pain, as our friend Hayden used to say, a nice pain in there. So you just pincer,
Whoa.
we can slowly just shimmy up and down to feel if there's a spot in there. How's it going, Tash?
Wow. That's needed.
It's needed.
Sore, but it's good. Good sore.
And then we'll
Wow.
follow that one down.
Wow.
SCM wraps around the front here.
Yeah, plenty of referrals through there.
Staying connected all the way through. We can't even follow it into the pec, as there's the old fascial continuum as Ninja loves.
Yeah, that'll need it too. All those push-ups.
All those
you made us
push-ups,
do,
yeah. Got to keep the push-ups going. Alright, so sinking in again. This time we're going a bit harder with the thumb. We can also move the neck around. Just helps to open up a bit more space in there.
Oh. Gee. It's really good, Chase.
Thanks, Tash. Love a bit of good feedback. Make sure you're on the right points.
Ooh,
It's
down
always
the
good.
shoulder.
Sometimes you get clients that just lie there and you try and get a bit of feedback. You're like, how's it feeling? Good? Anything there? Yeah. It's just, so sometimes feedback is good. Helps us to get on the right track. It's always good to have a bit of we like to say it's a bit of a partnership between the person on the table and the practitioner. It's not just us fixing the pain for you. It's you sort of, tuning into your body and letting us know what you're feeling.
Yep.
Goes a long way to fixing the pain.
Wow.
So yeah, we're going to move over to the other side.
Whoa, referrals straight away.
Referral straight away on this side, yeah.
All the way down here.
Oh.
Oh.
Yep.
Leo just commentary behind the camera.
My favourite thing ever.
Oh gosh. Oh, Jason.
Shizzle, as Leo would say. Shizzle.
Far out.
Oh, I thought you were going to drop the F-bomb, Tash.
Whoa.
I thought we had Barry in the video for a second.
Oh, it's all the way out here. Oh.
Were you feeling tighter on this side, or?
Nah.
Nah, pretty even? Yeah. Nah.
What was Sam Newman's Bark Academy?
Yeah.
What was it? Fossils.
Academy of
Academy of
Reliable
Reliable Kicking.
Oh, there was the other one. He was Fossil unravels clues to kicking.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was his first one, and they changed it.
Actually, okay.
Oh. Oof. Oh, no.
Can you figure out what that one spells to us?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Far out. Ah.
And then what did he have? The
This is not regarding these customer rules.
No. Sometimes you got to try and distract them to get them to calm down. So
Oh, that's
a bit of
easy
chat
there.
can go away there.
This section, I reckon.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty in there, isn't it?
Yep. Oh. Shit.
Weird if we let it shorten a little bit
Yeah.
more, a bit nicer, or no different there.
Yeah, a little bit,
yeah, a bit
more
nicer.
bearable. Still there. Oh. Yep. Wow. There we go. Yes. So good. I can already feel this side's like just relaxed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep. You tell the difference straight away.
And treatment through this pec's a bit different, isn't it, Tash? You got a bit of a story for us with the scar.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's
I don't think you've spoken about that on a
It's
video, have
bit
you?
hard to treat. Maybe once with Nidge.
Maybe no one's with Ninja. You want to let us in?
Yeah. So I got a pacemaker.
Got a pacemaker?
Like Krusty the Clown.
Does Krusty have a
He has a
pacemaker?
Yeah.
And a superfluous
way.
nipple.
I don't know about that one.
You have a superfluous nipple.
What's a superfluous nipple?
Good
I think it's like
question.
an extra nipple.
Yeah, I think it's an extra
Ah,
one,
He
yeah.
has a-
No. Chandler from Friends has that too.
An
He
extra
actually
nipple.
has a superfluous nipple.
Oh, just like in the
Or
show.
pacemaker.
In the show.
Oh, yeah.
The nipple.
So how long have you had the pacemaker in, Tash?
Since 2010.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been a while. So I have to get my battery changed soon. My battery's
How often does that need to
nearly
be?
dead. Running low.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
That's
How do you know?
weird to think about.
How do you know when it's...
They said it'd have like roughly 14 years. It
It's
can
not
go
vibrating,
for.
like 5% left. It tells you.
Yeah.
So I think I've got maybe like I've got under a year left in the battery. So I'm having a checkup in September, a bit earlier than usual, so that we can just make sure there's still a bit left in the tank, and then they have to go back through that same.
Oh, they go to the
start.
same spot?
Yeah, and then because the battery's right here.
Oh, okay.
And they just
Keyhole,
change that.
Or is it like
No, a little incision there.
Yeah.
I wouldn't
not
say it's
keyhole,
key.
No,
Yeah, right.
it's just like a.
You can
small-
see the scar here.
Like
Yeah.
when you get your battery changed, is it every 10 years or every? What did you say?
Oh, this will be the first time I change it,
Oh,
so
wow.
it's nearly lasted the whole. Yeah, it's been over 13 years.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty quick operation to get the battery
I
changed.
think
though?
so.
Like,
Yeah,
out, kind of
because
thing?
it's just there.
Back to work the next day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty
Think
much.
the advancement in technology, maybe they last longer.
Yeah, maybe.
Well,
Maybe you
that
need
was
one.
definitely. I know when I got it, they were like, "This is like new,"
Yeah.
And this is, gonna... So, 15. Who knows? Maybe it will be a longer one. Apparently
Does it vary also on the severity of how much the pacemaker needs to work?
Exactly,
Or is that like...
So that's why it's lasted longer, because
Yours
my
just
heart...
needed a bit of
it
help,
just
did
kicks
it?
in here, now and again.
Do you know when it kicks in?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah. No, not
That's
at
so
all.
interesting.
They can see it though. When I get it checked,
They can see when it did.
all the data on the
Really?
computer.
Yeah.
And they'll be like,
And do they show you what it?
they can like put it down to the date and the
Oh,
time.
that's
Yeah.
crazy.
And
isn't
Yeah.
it?
have you
They
been
can be
able
like,
to
"What were you
"Oh, I
doing?"
felt weird."
Yeah.
What are you
Yeah.
doing?
So at the start, they used to like get you to like write it down if you felt like fluttery or a bit faint like at any time. I think at the very start I had a couple of those moments, and some of them were just like when you're working out harder, like when you're going for a massive run or you're doing like a HIIT class. But I haven't had it in like 10 years at least. Like
Really?
it doesn't happen anymore. But they could see when it like kicks in more and then when it drops down, which is really cool. Yeah, and they only have to hover like a device over the top to get all the data.
Right.
They just like it just sits on my shoulder there, like that's
Crazy.
It. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you kind of it's annoying because it's in that spot where I probably do. I feel
Probably
like I
need
do
treatment in
have
there, yeah.
tension like around it because I never really get in there.
Yeah.
Probably should just do it myself to free up the pec around there. But yeah,
Here you go.
that's a bit of a story.
There's a bit of a story for you, and
Yeah.
on that note, we might wrap it up here anyway. So yeah, if you're struggling with neck pain after doing a core workout, this treatment can be just for you. So yeah, come in and see us. Thanks, guys.
Thank you. Thanks, Jess.